wear contact lenses. A brown highlight tube that is very suitable for autumn and winter makeup. His fixed axis highlight technology is really awesome. Highlights are always under the eyes. The whole is a very advanced gold-brown color scheme. The upper eye is very transparent, especially the light golden highlights and the fundus. There will be a feeling of lighting up the overall makeup. Thick effect is also very good. It is also suitable to wear it without makeup, with our primer. Don't save the dosage. Autumn and winter weather is very dry. Rub the whole face until it feels moist. Okay, take out our air cushion. No skill. Just spread out the whole face evenly. This is my second use. I think the air cushion is very easy to use. I didn't expect it. Well, now the product is getting better and better. Haha. Put these nooks and crannies of the nose. Take care of the details. Take out our big guest today. This double-headed grooming stick. It's really, really easy to use. I'm really strong Amway. He's really the same grooming pen I used to use. Are different? And no weird smell. If he pokes it open, it won't melt the base makeup. It won't rub off the base makeup. Really good product? Why am I only using it now? The approximate shape is like this. The grooming of the nose is still a little far from the nostrils. Okay, let's give the eyelashes again. The outer contour can be repaired or not. It's another bucket. It's the kind of lip liner you can draw on the summer solstice. Pen color. It's really nice in this color tone. It looks good, just like the one you were born with. The same color as the summer solstice. Special nature. It's that pink orange brown. I like to add a little softer here at the root of the mountain. Then we can directly draw the lip line as well. Lick the gap at the corner of your mouth. And his paste is also very silky. How did you do it? This color tone is really close to my heart scar. Oh, here, we're going to lick our lips. Deepen a little profit in the middle. Peeling makes our mouths look more three-dimensional. Point. Attention here. We're poking with this brush. No drag, no drag. Purely poked. Poke outside, poke outside. Smudge on the back of the nose. Poke, 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 smudge the pass like this. Then we still keep a little bit of the inner outline. I didn't poke it first and let him keep it first. Everything is like this. Including our mountain roots, here's also to poke the outside first. Smudge the outside first. Just poke. Well, just poke in place. Poke outside in place. Put it on the back of your nose a little bit. Take a look at the effect. Really natural shade. Same on the other side. Poke out the content first or keep it. Poke out and keep the inner contour. This method should also apply to other grooming pens. You can all try. Anyway, it's like this. Keep poking, poking, poking. Put it on the back of the nose again. And a little bit of nose. Just a little nose. Yamani, here is the poke in place. Then iron a little bit in the direction of the eye socket, okay? Then we give him that boundary line in place. Just poke it first and naturally poke it in place. Just poke in place. Poke nature in place. Then we have a very skeletal feel. Strong natural nose appears. It's coming soon. I'm still working on the details here. Take a look. We will bring a little bit next time. And this brush is also theirs. Easy to use. Look, I'm starting to talk again. Cow or not? Cow or not? So awesome, hee. I look left and right and look very satisfied. He doesn't have the heavy grooming. Can you understand? It's really very. Nature, like your own nose, looks like this. Okay, our lip line is also smudging. Still use this end, because this will have a little bit of that shadow color. You can use the residual paste on it. Make your lips look a little fuller. So careful. And then there's a big brush on the other end. Well, the silhouette is the same. Just poke it in place, poke it in circles, poke it in circles. Just keep poking, poking, poking. You can do it without seeing a clear borderline. The whole silhouette is played like this. Okay, don't say anything. Admire my perfect grooming. So perfect. Take out our powder. Pat, 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 pat. Just pat the whole face mat. With a dark brown machete eyebrow pencil. Draw along the hair tumor. Gradually deepen. Let's not draw our eyebrows too thick. Pay attention here. Painted Harry flew. He is against the line under the eyebrow. Will not exceed. Then draw along that arc. Gradually fill. Why is it glued again? Who will save me? Fill in the tail of the eyebrow again. Brush it a little with another eyebrow dye cream. Just brush it in even dark brown. With our matte highlights. Draw a small triangle on our nose. Don't faint. Then use fish meal. Bring the bridge of the nose as a whole. Be considerate of Yamane. This little piece in the middle of the brow. Then dedicate the boundary of the nose to smudging nature. A little shaded. Face connection naturally. It's a natural light. The eyes are also drawn with a small C to brighten. In this way, the comparison with our mountain roots will be obvious. A pure whole. The nose will be more three-dimensional. Here is the matte highlight. Retouch our tear grooves. It can cover the tear furrows in great detail. Brighten the brow bone again. Hey! Use us. This eyeshadow disc suitable for autumn and winter. Ah, what color did I get here? I forgot to record the lightest color I took. Tile on top and bottom eyeshadow. The lower eyeshadow should be deepened first, and then the second half should be brought forward. Use this brown one again. Deepen the roots of the eyelashes with a small brush. Scan back and forth. Deepen our lower eyeshadow a bit more. The second half deepens the second half. Use our reddish brown. The same deepens the roots of our eyelashes. Make the whole eye feel red. Use a detail brush to hook the end of our eyes, probably an angle at a right angle. Draw a little bit first. Pull further forward. Pull it out and connect it. So this is a leg that can change the shape of the eye. Let's deepen our eye part. No open corners here. Paste a double eyelid, fan-shaped double eyelid. Clip your eyelashes. Clip the front first and then add the second half. Then sandwich the middle. This is heated. Here is the eyelash base. Then we just paste a piece. Set the middle first. Reset the end of the eye. There is a little distance from the root of your eyelashes. There is a gap in the middle. Reset your eyes. The eyes are closer to the root of the eyelashes. Probably set a place to stick it. Pinch it with your fingers and push it on the eyelids. Be firm. Take a look. Turn it down to see if there is any gap. If there is, push it again. Then scroll down and up. This is a very natural eyelash. Here's the black eyeliner pen. Fill him with inner eyeliner. If you really feel itchy eyes, you can. Hold the upper eyelid in place with the other finger. The part of our eyeliner is limited to the inner eyeliner. No more painting. It's about the same to the root of our eyelashes. Eyelash tail over there. Use another one of this color. Smudge the head and end of the eye. In this way, an eyeliner eye makeup will look softer. Very blunt. Tail here too. Just take it with you. Don't let the eyeliner run. The lines are obvious. Connect up and down. It's more natural to rub it with your fingers. Just gently curl the real and false eyelashes. Use our Aegyo sal plate. This is really practical. Take this color with our eyebrow brush. Take a look at the shape first at our Aegyo sal fixed point. Again, go back and forth to smudge into a very natural Aegyo sal. Just rub it back and forth. The tail must be wrapped. Be sure to wrap it up. Then use this powder, this color, and use a sponge head. It will be more obvious to brighten. Use a detailed brush with this flat brush. Deepen slightly, bit by bit. Just poke, 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 and deepen it. When brushing the eyelashes, hold the mirror over your head and look up. Like this. It's not easy to touch your Aegyo sal when you brush it out. Just brush it directly. Just brush the upper eyelashes a little bit. With a pearlescent highlight, rub it with the colored finger first. Then rub it open with the colorless finger. In this way, the pearl light rubbed out will be very natural. Advanced is not particularly obvious. Our eyes are also pearlescent highlight slightly brightened. Focus on the eyes first, then draw a small C. The nose is also drawn with a small pointed feeling. Aegyo saliva is also slightly brightened. Just light up the middle. The brow bones should also be slightly brightened. Not particularly obvious. The bridge of the nose should also be rubbed with your hands, just a little brighter. This is the approximate eye makeup. So beautiful, oh so beautiful, really beautiful. What a big eye. Our blush words. First in the middle of the main chapter. Then scan back and forth. Let's take this blush, don't. Too much powder at one time. Here it is. Spread horizontally across the face. Roll out of large circle imaging. That's okay. Let's use another clean iodine paintbrush here. Go sweep the perimeter. Sweep around the whole blush. This step is also very suitable for you newbies. If the blush below is too heavy, you can also use this method. The nose is also a little blush here. Wear a little chin too. Next, take out our matte highlights and start. Comprehensive whole face brightening. Brighten up the tears in our faces. Hey, sweep, sweep, sweep. Sweep, sweep. Put blush. The ones that are more obvious over there are also slightly more. Take it. Try to make our blush just stick in. Just throw it in the middle of the face. It looks cute. Then brighten the circumference of our lips a little bit. The above is also required. The whole face will look cleaner this way. The makeup will also be cleaner and clearer. And our foreheads. Because my forehead is really flat. My forehead, the chin must be swept vertically with a short chin. A little more mole. With these two lip glazes. Really, this color is so pretty. They're made in this color. I use this time. 2 favorite color numbers. The single picture and the overlay picture are very beautiful. Apply the whole mouth roughly first. Take out our lip brushes. Put the entire edge lip line. The whole range smudges it. Then the whole mouth has a little bit of this color. It really looks good and has a gentle color. Then use this dark color to stack in the middle of the mouth. Stack the poke poke. A little bit of color and a sip. Just brush it roughly. Just brush it with a lip brush. There's also a lip glaze stacked here. He looks good without lip glaze. But am I thinking about autumn and winter? A little bling bling will do. Just folded it. So beautiful, the makeup effect is probably like this. See you. So beautiful display.